Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase PI mining rate. PI network is a mobile-based cryptocurrency that allows users known as pioneers to mine PI coin directly from their smartphone without using battery power or the mobile data. While everyone starts with a basic mining rate, PI network also provides several ways to increase your daily PI mining rate by staying active and building trust within the network. And in this video I'll show you how to increase your PI mining rate step by step within just minutes. So first you need to open to your PI network app, and every day for the 24 hours tap on the lightning bolt icon to start mining just below over here. And once you reach into this interface of the lightning bolt icon, mining pauses if you forget. So consistency is the key, and daily activity keeps your mining rate activity and stable. You can also increase boost over here. Simply tap on the increase here and select increase here, and each verified member increases your mining rate. A strong security circle improves both your earnings and the network trust as well. And you can also complete your KYC when available. And mining is free. Never pay anyone to increase your rate. Only trust the official PI network app. Never share your password or the verification code. And that's it. That's how you can increase your PI mining rate on PI network app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.